In this video, we are looking into some cryptocurrencies with the potential of manifesting explosive growth between 25 to 250x in 2025. Let's start with Mask Network. At the time of recording, the market price for the Mask Network token is at about $1.11, and its market cap is around $111 million, which shows that its market cap is quite small, but there is enough room left to grow compared to big coins like Ethereum. Imagine a bridge from the old internet that everyone is familiar with, like Twitter and Facebook, to the new decentralized world of blockchain. That's what Mask Network accomplishes. It's a project that seeks to bring privacy, freedom, and new functionality to social media platforms and enable users to access and interact with blockchain technology without ever leaving their go-to apps. Mask went live in July of 2021 for approximately $19. It didn't take long to create a splash in November 2021, where it hit an all-time high of about $97.92. That's a giant jump. Then it captured the crypto community's attention as a lone player in the Web3 space, as if crypto enthusiasts have been holding out for a project like Mask. However, its price has settled, but it still has tremendous potential for explosive growth in 2025. Moving on, Mask Network is supported by some interesting entities. One of the most significant collaborations is its partnership with Binance Labs, Binance's internal investment arm, and one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Mask Network won an earlier seed funding support from Binance Labs, giving the firm investment but also credibility. This partnership allows Mask to grow by tapping into Binance's massive user base and resources, driving adoption and growth further. Now, let's talk about growth potential in 2025. Mask Network is increasing in growth. Recently, they've been working to extend more to other platforms and adding features like decentralized file storage. For example, some time ago, they released a new feature that enables people to form private group chats on social media with end-to-end encryption. Another important step is the focus on NFT integration. Users are able to mint and sell NFTs directly through the extension. Excellent timing given the NFT market is heating up again. Recent collaborations see Mask Network team up with Polygon in February 2025 to bring faster, lower fees to its users. Polygon's Layer 2 technology lowers fees and speeds up the process, making Mask more appealing to mass users. They also collaborated with Chainlink in March 2025 to add secure data feeds, ensuring that prices and information in the Mask ecosystem are accurate. Such collaborations make Mask Network stronger and more reliable, setting it up for a breakout. With the bull run of 2025 just around the corner, Mask Network could leverage Web3 adoption waves. If privacy and decentralization become even bigger trends, Mask could see 50x growth. That will push its price from $1.11 to around $55 and above per token if this is achieved in 2025. It's optimistic, but with its distinctive niche and solid support, it's well within reach. Second coin on the list is Axelar. At the time of recording, the market price of the Axelar token is at about $0.311, and its market cap stands at around $293 million. Axelar is an initiative that focuses on enabling secure cross-chain communication throughout the Web3 ecosystem. Its primary objective is to provide a decentralized network, along with an array of tools that assist developers of decentralized applications in facilitating smooth interoperability between different blockchain networks. This is done through an array of protocol suites, a sequence of application programming interfaces, and other development tools, which collectively address the technical problems of cross-chain interaction. Axelar infrastructure consists of three essential components: a permissionless network of validators, software development kit to keep protocols and APIs, and a gateway of smart contracts supporting cross-chain interconnectivity. Axelar launched in February 2022 with a listing price of about 85 cents per token, and it peaked at an all-time high of $2.66 in March 2024, showing its potential for growth when the market heats up. That high brought attention to cross-chain solutions, as investors saw how Axelar could unlock new possibilities in crypto. How does it work? Axelar is a network that connects blockchains using a decentralized system of validators. Developers can use Axelar's tools to build apps that work across multiple chains. For example, you could send tokens from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain with just one click. Axelar has some remarkable entities backing it. One significant partner is Coinbase Ventures, which invested in Axelar to support its mission of interoperability. Coinbase's involvement gives Axelar access to expertise and a massive audience, helping it grow its reach. Looking at 2025, Axelar's potential is exciting. The team is working hard to expand. In January 2025, they launched the Axelar Virtual Machine, a tool that lets developers write custom cross-chain programs. This makes Axelar more flexible and attractive to builders. They're also working towards growing their ecosystem. One interesting move is the newly added support for 5 new blockchains this year, like Aptos and Sui. Recent partnerships are fueling this growth. In February 2025, Axelar joined forces with Ripple to enhance cross-chain payments, leveraging Ripple's expertise in finance. Then, in March 2025, they partnered with Circle to integrate USDC across chains seamlessly. These moves make Axelar a go-to solution for big players, boosting its value. The 2025 bull run could be huge for Axelar, as more projects need to connect blockchains. AXL could see 25x growth, pushing its price above $7 in 2025. Up next is Particle Network. At the time of recording, the market price of the Particle Network token stands at about 19 cents, with a market cap valuation around $44 million. Particle Network is all about bringing blockchain to the people. It's a project that simplifies the process of using decentralized apps by solving the onerous sign-up process. Historically, Particle token listed at price of about $0.4122 and has a very modest all-time high valuation of about $0.428. It hasn't hit a huge all-time high yet, and that's because it is still very new in the crypto space. Even then, it's already causing a splash in the crypto community for its forward-thinking approach. As it continues to grow and gains more adoption in the near future, it is bound to experience growth. Here's how it works. Particle Network constructs a universal account setup. Instead of handling wallets and passwords for all the blockchains, you only sign in one time with Particle, and then everything happens automatically in the background. The Party token powers it. People stake it to receive rewards, and developers buy it to spend to use tools through Particle. A major partner here is Binance Labs, which backed Particle in 2024. Particle is something Binance sees as a way to onboard millions of new users into crypto, and the investment is an enormous vote of confidence. For 2025, Particles are on fire. They released a mobile app, which made it even easier to use dApps on the go. They're also championing chain abstraction, the concept of hiding blockchain complexity from users. Picture it like using an app without having to know the internet. In addition, some of the new partnerships include a March 2025 deal with Polygon to combine their tech, making it cheaper and faster for users. They teamed up with Arbitrum in early April 2025 to introduce their universal accounts on Arbitrum's network. These actions place Particle in a central position when it comes to user adoption. In the incoming 2025 bull run, it is possible for Particle to experience up to 200x growth. If that happens, this token will be priced at about $38 and above. Then let's move to XDC Network. XDC Network is a blockchain built for real-world business, especially trade and finance. At the time of recording, the market price of XDC is at about $0.066, with a market cap of around $1.03 billion, which makes it very affordable and underscores its potential for growth in the near future. XDC started trading at about $0.003079. Its all-time high was recorded to be about $0.193 in August 2021, a huge leap that showed its appeal during a hot market. XDC Network is an enterprise-grade Layer 1 blockchain designed to support enterprise trade finance, real-world asset tokenization, and decentralized enterprise and retail applications with EVM compatibility and a delegated proof-of-stake consensus algorithm supported by sophisticated Byzantine fault-tolerant technology to support near real-time transactions, very low gas fees, and over 2,000 transactions per second, supported by a Layer 2 subnet system to enable sovereign, privacy-enforcing subnets to inherit the security of the XDC mainnet. In November 2024, XDC Network partnered with Plug and Play International Open Innovation Platform to launch the XDC Payments Program, a program that aims to partner with leading payments-based Web 3.0 solutions in an endeavor to bolster the XDC ecosystem by providing support and resource to payment startups in building scalable, secure, API-centric infrastructure for cross-border payments and digital document transfer, thereby further strengthening its capabilities and adoption within financial businesses. With its focus on tokenization of real-world assets and trade finance, XDC network is set to witness tremendous growth in the year 2025, particularly with the anticipated bull run and its strategic partnerships such as the XDC payments program that align with increasing demand for blockchain solutions in mainstream finance that can cause a up to 150x increase in its current market price by the year 2025. If and whenever this outlook is achieved, one XDC token will be valued at about $9 and above. The last token on this list is Pi3. Pi3 is a blockchain platform that integrates artificial intelligence to build a decentralized data analysis and decision-making tools ecosystem for individuals and businesses. At the time of recording, Pi3 is in its early stages, actively holding a node sale that launched in late 2024, with the price of each node set at around $172, giving people the ability to invest in the decentralized AI infrastructure of the network. The node sale allows people to purchase AI nodes, essentially being part of the network infrastructure and earning rewards as it grows. The nodes grant operators the ability to supply the computational power necessary to energize AI models and decentralized applications, allowing them to earn rewards proportional to their level of participation as the network expands. Pi3 is focused on democratizing the ownership of AI, shifting control away from centralized corporations and to a community-driven framework. Under this new framework, node holders participate in data and AI task processing, in addition to enjoying financial benefits, courtesy of a $6 million token incentive program for the top-performing operators. This ongoing sale is a best representation of Pi3's strategy in creating a robust, scalable infrastructure, enabling early adopters to gain advantage as the network grows toward wider acceptance and adoption of its AI blockchain solutions in 2025 and beyond. Looking forward to 2025, Pi3 AI's focus on decentralized AI resonates with the rising need for privacy-centric and user-managed AI solutions. With the network maturing and being adopted, the prospect of Pi3 tokens appreciating becomes stronger. Considering the anticipated bull run and the strategic developments of the project, Pi3 could grow exponentially with projections, setting it at a 100x appreciation from the original valuation. Each of these tokens, which are still very modestly priced, carry impressive potential for explosive growth in 2025. Their low price valuations present an excellent entry point for everyone looking to invest before the incoming bull run heats up. If they achieve each of their respective predictions, you could earn very substantial amounts of profits, enough to make you rich in 2025. However, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency.